Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Polestar at Auto Shanghai 2023. 5 years after our debut as a brand here in Shanghai, Polestar has expanded to 27 markets and opened 150 spaces worldwide, and made over 1,100 service points available so that 100,000 existing Polestar customers would get excellent service and care. This year marks the next milestone for our brand. Today we show here in Shanghai Polestar 3, our first SUV. An incredible important car for Polestar's brand. It is the SUV for the electric age. We maintained the high stance and ground clearance that people love about SUVs and combined it with an aerodynamic, fast, sleek silhouette. To optimize efficiency, we gave Polestar 3 wings. One wing at the front and one at the rear, to manage the aerodynamic airflow across the body and maximize range. A Polestar must be great to drive, and Polestar 3 is great to drive. It has air suspension as standard, adapting the right height with speed. Centralized computing from NVIDIA and software from Volvo Cars control intelligent cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, accelerometers, and a powerful laser scanner. Together with our partners at Luminar, we provide the best LiDAR on the market, which will give Polestar 3 owners access to the future of autonomous drive. We clustered some of the sensors into an area in the front of Polestar 3, which we call the Smart Zone. This prominent placement of sensor technology signifies the shift from breathing to seeing. The interior is all about the experience. Firstly, where you are, we want you to experience clean air. Our latest advanced air cleaner exchanges the 3,000 liters of air in Polestar 3 every minute. This means air is free from 95% fine dust, 97% viruses, and 99% pollen and other allergens. Together with Bauer & Wilkins, we have installed 1,750 watt sound system with 25 speakers and a digital sound processor that handles multi-channel signals from Dolby Atmos. It's a mind-blowing, three-dimensional sound experience. Really, really awesome. All of this is matched with beautiful crafted details. We have changed the definition of luxury for the better. Materials now carry a declaration of what they are, what they have come from, and the environmental impact. We bring responsibility to the SUV segment by redefining luxury with a mindset of sustainability. This makes Polestar 3 the SUV of the electric age. Now, the Polestar family is growing, and it is growing rapidly. That's why today we are launching Polestar 4. We are broadening our spectrum. What better body style to present next to a true powerful SUV than a dynamic SUV coupe? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Maximilian Massoni, our head of design, on stage to unveil together with me our new Polestar 4.
Polestar 4, the electric SUV coupe transformed. We have created a new breed, combining the sportiness and elegance of a coupe with the space and comfort of an SUV. How did we do that? Let's start with an SUV and transform it into a coupe. Traditionally, an SUV coupe is created with minimal change to its sibling. The rear roof structure is usually moved forward and lowered to achieve a sportier silhouette, while still trying to provide some visibility for the rearview mirror. This leads to awfully compromised headroom, and frankly alienates most of the customers interested in this body style. But we have done things differently. We've created an entirely unique car. We positioned the base of the windscreen further forward to maximize interior space. Then we lowered the bonnet to create a sports car-inspired silhouette. This already gave us an amazing car, but then we did something entirely unexpected. In order to create a coupe that also provides plenty of second-row space and comfort, we moved the roof structure rearwards and positioned it far behind the rear occupants. We eliminated the rear window and replaced it with rearward-facing HD cameras on the roof and a screen instead of the normal rearview mirror. Imagine for a moment the view rearward in other compromised SUV coupes. You mostly just see the interior of your own car. Now, with the rear window gone, we can use the full surface of the rear view mirror for wide-angle visibility that has never been so good. The technology was ready. All we needed to do is use it to its full potential. This change unlocked incredible possibilities for the second row. Suddenly, we were able to create a rear lounge environment that makes Polestar 4 truly unique. A full-length single-piece panoramic roof stretches far beyond the passengers. The glass can be electrochromic, changing between transparent and opaque, and reducing glare from the sun. Reclining rear seats take full advantage of the space created. Rear infotainment and individual climate controls complete the lounge experience. We then took inspiration from the fashion and sportswear industries and created a new material concept that we call soft tech. Bio-attributed vinyl and 3D knitted textiles are combined to form a more sustainable interior. Knitted structure made from 100% recycled PET allows for illumination to shine through and create a luxurious atmosphere. Polestar 4 offers several carefully curated interior configurations. From high-contrast modern vegan options, an exclusive animal welfare-secured Nappa leather with perforation, ventilation, and massage, to the highly sustainable tailored knit. Using monomaterials, we take significant steps towards our vision of full circularity. At night, we bathe the cabin in ambient light, creating the feel of a business class cabin. We love good taste, and we are curious. So we asked ourselves, how can we give our customers a high degree of ambient lighting, but in a Polestar way? The answer lies in our solar system. You choose a planet in our ambient lighting app, learn all about its amazing properties, and while you do so, the interior space is immersed in the beautiful colors these planets reflect. That's when the subtle features become apparent, like the edged and illuminated Polestar in the glass roof. We've used the same principle for exterior lighting. The Polestar logo is illuminated with precision lighting from below the surface, sitting proudly between the dual-blade headlights. At the rear, the robotic design is further emphasized by the iconic light blade. Polestar 4 is of course a driver's EV. With dual motors and 400 kilowatts, Polestar 4 reaches 100 kilometers an hour in just 3.8 seconds. A range of drive settings can be activated and customized in the center display. New steering wheel controls add an extra layer of convenient customization. These include chassis, steering, and one-pedal drive setting. You can switch between comfort and performance dynamics, giving you choice depending on your mood. The 50-50 weight distribution gives perfect balance and poise. Add the performance pack and Polestar 4 comes with brakes by Brembo, forged alloy wheels, gold seat belts, and specifically developed tires from Pirelli. Thousands of hours have been spent tuning the steering for agility and responsiveness to give the driver confidence in all scenarios. From easy everyday driving to a powerful track experience. Back to Thomas.
Thanks, Maximilian. Now, Polestar 4 is available to pre-order from today in China. Production begins later this year in a world-class factory in Hangzhou Bay. Launch for all other markets will follow in early 2024.